Hello again, and welcome to another video with the VW California. And today I'm going to show you the problem with the table leg. And as you can see, it's quite common for them to break on this hinge pin here. You can see the plastic's all fractured there, so that's not going to stand too much more use. So I've got a repair kit for it. I'm going to show you how to fit that. First thing is you have to remove the actual table from the vehicle, which is attached to these sliding brackets here. Two of those, and they're just held on with a 3mm Allen key, so quite easy to take off the table. Just unscrew those under there with a 3mm Allen key, and then you've got the table off. So yeah, let's get it on the workbench and see what we can do with it. So here we are in the workshop. And first thing is we've got to get this retaining bolt out here. You can actually see the damage better here from on this angle where it's broken. So you have to get this bolt out. So you need to just grip it on the one side and then undo the side with the spanner. And that just unscrews there. So that just then slides out. So there's the bolt, keep that for later. And then the table leg just lifts out the way like that. So have that clear out the way. And then again, you can see more of the damage there, so that's quite bad, that is. Definitely needs replacing. And here's the replacement part that I got off the eBay seller. I will put a link in the description for this as well, so you can see where to get that from. But basically, that's got to replace the end there. So you've got to drill out these rivets, which I don't know how difficult that is. We'll have a go at that in a minute. And then that fits on there. So basically we need to make a cut across here of this part to enable this to fit. So that's something the first thing to look at is cutting across there while we've still got it riveted into place. That will be a bit easy to cut. So I'll find something to do that with, and we'll see how easy it is to get this off. So I managed to make a cut through there. Just be careful because it's very close to the bottom of the table. You won't actually see it, but yeah, that's cut through there. So next stage is to drill out the rivets. But yeah, be careful doing that. You can do it with a small hacksaw or junior hacksaw or a hacksaw blade. So yeah, not too difficult to cut because it's only plastic. But yeah, let's see if we can get the rivets out next. So I managed to drill out the rivets, and then it's still bonded. It's bonded as well as riveted to the bottom of the table, so you have to prise it off. I've used a flat blade screwdriver, but it takes some doing, that does. So it's quite tight, so you have to prise it off because you can see there it's got glue underneath that VW have glued it on as well. So we need to get the old glue off as well, and get rid of these rivets, so we've got a nice clean hole for the new rivet as well. So one thing got to make sure is that don't drill these holes too big, otherwise the new rivets won't fit. So I think a maximum about 4mm drill. If you go any bigger, like with a 5mm, you'll end up with a too big a hole for the rivets that come with the kit. So yeah, we'll carefully drill those out, clean off the glue, and see what it looks like then. So now I've carefully drilled out the old rivets, so we've got nice clean 4mm holes all ready for the new rivets. Make sure you don't go too deep either. And I've cleaned off all the old glue, so we've got a nice clean surface there for reattaching the replacement part. So let's just mix some glue up and crack on with getting that fitted. So I've mixed some epoxy resin so we get a good strong bond. Put plenty of that on there, and just slide that into place, and we'll leave that to set. And now all we've got to do is pop the rivets on. So using the rivet gun, insert the new rivet into the end, and then all you got to do is carefully place it in the hole like that, and then rivet that in place like that. And you just got to do 4 of those, and then it's all glued and riveted, so it's a good strong fitment. So all we've got to do now is put it back together, and then it's good to go back in the van. Right, so the final stage is to reconnect the table leg. So lift it right the way forward, slot it over there, make sure you got your washers in place, slide that through there, put the nut back on the end, it does eventually go on, and then what you've got to do is make sure you don't get this too tight, because otherwise the leg will be too stiff and it won't work. So just nip it up gently, not too tight, and there we go. Leg goes back into place, all ready to go back in your van and carry on working for a good number of years. So yeah, nice little job. Get these off eBay, I'll put the link in the description, and yeah, good luck with that, and keep watching, keep subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one, and bye for now.